Malaria has long been one of the world's most deadly infectious diseases, but it looks as though this could change more quickly than anyone would have thought possible. A coordinated global effort to combat malaria has been underway for a decade in the form of the Rollback Malaria Partnership, a global framework of over 500 partners, including malaria-affected nations, UN organizations, and the private sector. The Rollback Malaria Partnership released its 10-year report on Tuesday, entitled A Decade of Partnerships and Results. This report shows that the international community has achieved some incredible progress in the fight against malaria.
This report reveals that the achievement in malaria control in reducing deaths and cases are better than anticipated 10 years ago. The report offers reason for celebration.
The Rollback Malaria Partnership launched the Decade Report at a press conference at United Nations headquarters, attended by Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. He stressed the international community's resolve in fighting malaria, along with his own personal commitment to the cause.
We have saved the lives of more than 1 million children in sub-Saharan Africa. And we have changed the way we think about malaria control. Combating malaria has become a global health priority.
The successes that this partnership has had since its formation have been great, but malaria continues to be a devastating ailment for much of the world's poor. Disproportionately affecting children and pregnant women, malaria claimed the lives of 800,000 victims in 2009. The Rollback Malaria Partnership has mobilized global attention and hopes to one day see the end of this sadly preventable disease.
A child dying every 45 seconds from malaria is simply unacceptable. We can and must put a stop to this tragic loss of young lives anywhere.
As this report shows, there have been great strides in malaria control in the past 10 years, but Rollback Malaria Partnership has an even more ambitious plan for the future. It hopes to have malaria-caused deaths approach zero and eradicate the disease in 10 more countries, all by 2015. Reporting from the United Nations, I'm Connor Schratz for South-South News.